1, 2, 1, 2,
1, 2,
2,
3.
2.
1, 2, 3. Throw it for Coco.
Boom, boom.
Say drop it, Coco.
Gotcha.
Say drop it. Drop it, Coco.
Coco.
Coco. Go ahead. You got Shrek with you? Where's Shrek? Here he is. And let's sit down and we'll let Alex run for you. Get him. Okay, get everybody all comfy. Okay, throw the ball for Coco. Throw the ball for Coco. Cody's waiting, Anthony. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
Cut it out!
Yeah.
Cut it!
Say drop it.
Yeah!